Free Jalapenos breaking news update. Our adventurers have made it to Namche Bazaar. After licking their wounds and having a cry, they've sent in the first video update. But first, a word from our sponsors. Do you feel like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders, but you're too much of a dandy to carry it yourself? Why not hire some animal helpers that have no say in the matter? So go ahead. Pack that extra bottle of shampoo. It's not going to be breaking your back after all. Call the number below and give a new meaning to the word jackass.
My shoulder, my back, my
so
legs, every part of me is in agony right now.
Yeah.
And it's day 2.
Free Jalapenos.
Oh, but today was f***ing hard. Probably not gonna put that in there.
No, you probably can. It was fucking hard. Yeah.
Today we went from Phakding to Monjo to Namche Bazaar. So in Monjo you have to do our second national park entrance.
And up there was a snow leopard.
I think that was the worst of the trip. Like the rest of the trip we don't climb as much in altitude because from about 3,000, 3,500 meters onwards is when you start to feel altitude sickness or AMS.
Remember when they said don't look down?
This is why!
We climbed 830 meters today.
Yeah, that's insane.
It was intense. And there was a part where when you're walking up and you're just thinking to yourself, it's gotta be flat from here. Once I reach this point, it's gotta be flat. And then you turn the corner and you still see an uphill.
It was bad.
And your soul dies a little bit. You start questioning why you're even here. You start going, what's the matter with me as a human being that I'd put myself through this?
It was hard. Like the first 3 hours was like up and down. Like it was pretty hilly.
Oh yeah, that's Everest?
And then we knew that like the last hour to Namche was gonna be a scramble uphill. But oh my gosh, that was so hard.
It was beyond any
You think you're halfway and you're not even halfway. Like it was hard and you just take like little baby steps. You're like,
Yeah, I mean, you were
And then you, like,
basically
stop,
shuffling.
and
You
you
weren't
breathe,
even
and then you,
walking. And your
It's so
mind
hard.
goes to weird places,
Yeah.
man.
we're both carrying about 15 kilos plus up
Yeah.
this hill. My feet have reached enlightenment because they're on a whole different vibrational
That's just
level.
because you can't feel them. It definitely doesn't have anything to do with fitness, this. I mean,
No.
it helps if you are fit,
Yeah, if
but
you-
we've seen people of all fitness levels doing this.
Yeah. And like we weren't.
What it
the
comes
absolute
down to
fittest.
is the mind.
I think
I mean,
so.
it's when you reach that breaking point, which I don't care how fit you are, you'll reach that breaking point. And when you do reach that breaking point, how do you handle it? Do you keep
Yeah.
walking or do you just stop? But the guide really isn't necessary. There's so many people,
No,
so
I
much
don't think
traffic.
the guide's necessary because
Yeah.
we've done everything by ourselves.
We
and
even
haven't run
reached a
into
fork in the road on several occasions now,
Yeah.
where we didn't know where to go, and there's been someone there that we can just say, you know, the name of the location that we're trying to go, and they'll
And
just
then
point
just
us in the
point
right
us.
direction. So far, I give the trek 2 thumbs up.
Me too. It's really worth it.
It's fun.
And it's worth doing it by yourself as well.
Alright, I
Well,
think
this is
that's
only
good.
day 2, so we'll find out.
Yeah.